We're using rural Airbnbs to actually replace my high-paying income as a doctor. Man, not as much stuff as I'm used to seeing, actually. It's usually a lot worse. Ooh. Ow. Wow. Look, he's back in Asia. Yeah, that's so cool. Like your hat. Is that a fruit bowl or is it?
I'm in Indonesia.
Indonesia, okay. That's cool. All right, we just unpacked almost everything, and there's a pile of boxes. It's taller than my arm, but yeah, I can't really tell. And then, yeah, we're gonna remove all those boxes to the recycling, the dump. We got a few more things. Obviously, it's not beautiful yet, but it will be, I promise. The toilet, it's gonna look good in here. I'm lucky to have my dad with me on this project. He can do pretty much anything. And then this is gonna be the master, and it's gonna be cool. There's gonna be like some floating sconces there. This wall's gonna be green, and yeah, it's just gonna look really good. Just stay tuned. The living room. Good morning, day 2, and we're just getting started, and it's only 7:30, waiting for some packages to come in, including my couch. Little light bulbs are actually called G9 light bulbs, and they're super expensive. So if you're finding an affordable chandelier or pendant light, something like this, just keep in mind that these 2 packs are $10 each, and it could quickly add up. So just because this is affordable doesn't mean the light bulbs are affordable. Alright, gotta finish painting the wall, clear some things out. This wall's pretty much done too, ready for furniture. Beautiful. Look at that wallpaper. Look at that man assembling furniture. What do you think of your work, Dad? Tired? Alright. That's it. Let's go get some beer. We're calling it. Bye! Morning, guys. It's day 3, and we're gonna start off by actually going to a dump. We got all this cardboard to toss out. So if you guys have never seen a dump, it's literally just a gigantic dumpster, and then they'll go do something with it, whether they take it to recycling or whatever. That I don't know. I just know that this is where our trash goes. The rest off camera. All right, yay! Don't lay it flat, right? First thing we're doing today is mounting the TV. So we had to actually install this extra piece. mainly because this bulges out and you can't really put the mount on this without having this little piece here. So yeah, we had to adjust the accent wall. But now it's gonna be level, it's gonna be flush to the wall, and it's gonna hold the 65-inch TV. This is what you get when you start working on old houses. Look at that. What's the wiring nut? It's just tape. Now I just gotta twist this all off. Yep. Good riddance. Alright, so we got our day 4 update. Things are looking good. Couch is here. Table. Roughest part probably is still the kitchen, mainly because we still gotta put the cabinets up. Bam. Hello, Dad.
Hello, son.
We also still gotta do plumbing, so got some issues with some leaks, so that's gonna be taken care of. But we got the rods up, things are being hung up, mirrors up, new lights, and washer and dryer and stuff checking out tomorrow. The rooms are pretty much almost done, which is kind of cool. We got, again, doing some electrical stuff. We're adding a garbage disposal in the sink. This room looks pretty cool. Oops, wrong button. Back. And then these lights work now. So you just gotta press this button. Cool. Press this button. Second day of trash out. Here, tightening the straps. Good day again. I'm gonna bring it to the dump. I'm doing plumbing stuff.
Are you guys?
I was working on it yesterday, but did not finish. Alright, it's day 5, having lunch right now. But the living room's pretty much done, just waiting for the rug to come in and it's all set. This is an Emerson Sensi thermostat. It lets you adjust the temperature of your home anywhere in the world, including your Airbnb. So that way you don't have to worry about your guests running up your bill in case they leave, and cranked it down to like 62 or something like that. Congratulations. This is how you control your temperature and electricity costs. Damn, it's beautiful over here. Good morning. Look at this dope warehouse. If you never peeled this stuff off of refrigerators, it's super annoying and it's super hard to take off. Just got our internet, so AT&T, and yeah, it's just a setup on your own if you're ever wondering. That's pretty simple. You don't have to do anything crazy. Just order your internet. They usually send you a package for AT&T. If you don't have service in this area, you can do something like T-Mobile. But yeah, we got AT&T because they have cable and it's fast. People love fast internet. I mean, do you want slow internet? No. All right, putting in new breakers today. We had ones that were too strong, and now we're putting in more normal ones. And voila, we have new breakers in. So easy.